For a man who police say kidnapped and sexually assaulted a South Alabama student. Juwan Dawson's preliminary hearing was held this afternoon.
Testimony from a prosecution witness is giving new details about how Dawson would end up behind, or how he wound up behind bars, I should say, last month. Well, Robinson Smith has that story.
Juwan Dawson was back in front of a judge to hear a number of details about his alleged sexual assault against a South Alabama student last month. Lieutenant Bill Fischel with the campus police said according to the victim, Dawson allegedly approached her in the chemistry parking lot. He allegedly threatened her with what appeared to be an automatic handgun and said he would shoot her if she didn't get into the car. Fischel says Dawson then allegedly drove them to the parking lot near the Student Health Center, where he allegedly threatened her into performing oral sex. Fisher says they then allegedly drove to Langen Park, where the act was repeated and the victim vomited. Both sides are waiting for the DNA results to be returned.
Well, it's certainly an important part for either side. Obviously, we have to wait and see what those results are, and then certainly they have an opportunity to, their importance will be determined in large part on what the results are. But we're anxious to receive those results.
The victim was then allegedly taken back to the health center, and Dawson allegedly dropped the car off at the chemistry parking lot. Fischel also testified that no video of the events was found on campus surveillance cameras, and no one else saw it occur.
Certainly that was something we were interested in learning today, and you heard the officer's testimony, no eyewitnesses.
Fischel says Dawson used the victim's stolen debit card in two places, Ultra Car Wash in Schillinger and a Shell gas station on Cody Road. Fischel says they identified Dawson's car at both locations around the time the card was used. Defense attorney Zachary Moore says he needs to see the videos before making a conclusion.
Well, at this point, we're not entitled to discovery, so we don't have those items. We'll wait and see what they show once we finally get a chance to review them ourselves.
Dawson's case is now bound over to a grand jury. In Mobile, Will Robinson Smith, Fox 10 News.
Dawson will be back in court again on June 5th, this time in reference to a home invasion charge.